How to use advanced search in Twitter. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Twitter application, or that is basically your X application. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, you will land in your home page. Now, from your home page, navigate to the search bar by tapping on the search icon from the bottom of your home page in the menu bar next to the home icon. Now, once you get to search page, navigate to the search bar at the top of this interface and you can search any user or account or topic in Twitter. So simply search for that. After you search for that, here you will have all the basic search. Now if you like to use the advanced search, next to that search bar there is an icon as a filter. So tap on that filter icon. Now from here you can apply different types of search filters. That is, if you want to view the content from anyone, select the first option that says from anyone under people, or if you like to view the content or the portion from only the people you follow, then select the second one. After that, under location, you can also change the location. If you like to get the content from anywhere, then select the first option, or if you like to limit the content or search results from only the people near you, then tap on the second option that says near you. And once you change these filters or settings, tap on apply button from the top right corner. Now furthermore, if you tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner and now head over to search settings, here you can also change the settings. If you would like to disable the hide sensitive content, then simply turn off that toggle. If you would like to hide the sensitive content, then keep that toggle turned on. And under that there is another option as remove blocked and muted accounts. If you would like to turn on that. If not, you can turn off that toggle. When you use this option, this will eliminate search results from accounts you have blocked or muted. So you can change these search settings as well, and once you apply all of this, and that's how you use advanced search in Twitter. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.